In Safe City, every journey begins with a smart choice. Hi,
I am Sai.
I am Rithya.
Welcome to Safety Academy.
Today is our Road Guardian training day. Where did the crosswalk go?
Something is wrong with Safe City.
Every safety symbol is disappearing.
Did anyone else see that glowing spark?
Restore 6 safety symbols before the clock reaches 0. Little heroes, will you help us? Which place is safest for crossing?
Point to your answer.
You choose.
Choose a place where you can see traffic clearly.
And drivers can see you. We walk on the sidewalk.
It keeps us away from moving vehicles.
Use the sidewalk.
Pause at the edge.
Never rush directly into the road. Look carefully in both directions.
Then check once more. Some vehicles can be very quiet.
Use your eyes and ears together. I cannot see past this van.
Then this is not a safe crossing place. Walk calmly across.
Keep watching until you reach the other side. The observe symbol is restored. Stop, look, listen, and cross safely. Huh? The traffic light has forgotten its colors. Let's rebuild it. Which color means stop?
Say the answer before the timer ends. Red means stop.
Wait behind the line. Yellow warns that the signal is changing.
Slow down and prepare to stop. Green means move only when the way is clear.
Always check first. The light is green, but the path is not clear.
Safety comes before speed. Which word belongs on this sign?
Point to the correct answer. A stop sign means stop completely.
Then check every direction.
The stop symbol is restored. Read the signal and choose safely. 5 passenger safety mistakes are hiding inside. Let's find them. Can you spot the missing safety step? Buckle up.
Buckle up on every trip. Children need the correct seat for their size.
A trusted adult should check the fit. Loose objects can move suddenly.
Store bags and toys safely. Drivers need to focus on the road.
Safe passengers stay calm. Stay seated with the belt fastened.
Never lean outside. Wait until the vehicle stops.
Check outside before opening the door. The protect symbol is restored. Sit, buckle, and travel safely. The correct safety choices will open the maze.
Helmet first.
Huh?
Which helmet position is correct?
Choose before 3. The helmet sits level and low.
It should not tilt backward.
Fasten the strap comfortably.
Ask a trusted adult to check the fit.
Not upside down, Pixel.
Even tiny helpers need a proper fit.
Yeah.
Check tires, brakes, and the chain.
A safe ride begins before moving. Bright and reflective clothing helps others see us.
Visibility matters.
Use approved riding areas. Follow local bicycle rules.
Follow local bicycle rules. The choose symbol is restored.
Check, signal, and ride safely.
In this mission, your ears will guide you. Listen carefully. Which vehicle made that sound?
Point to your answer.
Wait in the safe area.
Move forward only when instructed. Never chase a ball into the road.
Ask a trusted adult for help.
Follow the crossing guard.
Cross only after the safe signal. A closed barrier means wait.
Never walk around or under it.
Railway signals protect everyone.
Tracks are never play areas.
The listen symbol is restored. Hear the warning and make a safe choice.
The final symbol is hidden behind distractions.
Focus on what keeps us safe.
Road first, screen later.
Keep your eyes up near traffic. Loud sounds can hide traffic warnings.
Keep your ears alert. My umbrella should not block my eyes.
Keep a clear view of the road.
At night, bright and reflective items help.
Be easy for others to see.
Never enter traffic for a toy or pet.
Ask a trusted adult for help.
The care symbol is restored.
Stay alert and care for every road user.
The compass found the missing signs.
They are inside the city map. I moved the signs. I thought roads needed more surprises. Surprises belong in games, not on roads.
Safety signs help strangers understand each other.
Then I want to help restore them. Stop, look, listen, and check again.
Cross only when it is safe. Seatbelts fastened.
Secure and ready. Slow down near schools.
And always respect railway signals.
Safe City is restored. Clear roads can still be colorful and fun.
Stop at the edge and look each way. Listen before you cross today. Buckle and helmet, signs in view. Safe roads begin with me and you.
See you next time, little heroes.
We are all heroes.
Be kind. Be brave. Be a hero. What's your hero power today?